You ever want more from your aftershave cologne than just the common addressing the skin irritation or redness? Allow me to introduce to you the Level 3 Aftershave Cologne. This unique collection is available in a variety of different fragrances and is available in 2 different sizes. The 400 ml is our larger size and can be used in a multitude of settings, whether professional, at home, and everything in between. If you're on the move, our 100 ml travel-friendly size is perfect for you. Whether you're looking for that midday freshen up, or if you're a traveling barber like myself, it's perfect to take with you on the road when you're servicing your clients. Let's get into the use cases. More often than not, you may experience dry skin or irritation post-shaving. This product will help you alleviate the two, providing a protective layer between your skin and the elements, no matter where you shave. And we didn't stop there. We leveled up the aftershave formula, infusing each one with its own signature designer quality fragrance, making it the first aftershave you'll want to use outside of shaving. So level up your post-shaving experience with the Level 3 Aftershave Cologne collection, the no-brainer to your post-shaving needs.